SEM. First, you need to put your sample on SEM holder. Please don't forget to wear gloves before you do it. Then, you need to measure the height of the sample. It should be no more than 10 mm. Then, put the sample inside the vacuum chamber. Before you close the vacuum chamber, please don't forget to set the scale on 0 to make sure the sample is not tilting during the process. Then, close the chamber and click Evac on the screen to start the vacuum process. And here, you can see the Evac button is blinking. Wait until the loading process finishes. It takes time because we need to wait the chamber to be vacuumed. Other thing is, you have to set the voltage and working distance. To get a better result, also to make sure it is safe for the equipment. Then click the on button to turn on the camera. After everything sets, the image will show on the screen. As you can see, the sample is tilting, so you have to make it straight. You have to locate your sample to see it by rotate the scale knob. Move the sample until you can see it on the screen. Make sure you locate it in the middle of the screen. Set the sample properly so it is not tilting. Set the focus on your image. Also, set the magnification that you want. You can set the brightness to make the picture looks more clear. Set the parameter as you need to get a good results. Locate your sample nicely to get a proper picture. Better image can help you get a better result. If done with setting, you can capture the image and save it, and then the process is done.